What are these nicotine pouches that people will see in the likes of petrol stations?
So they're small, discreet little packets that are placed between the gum and the upper lip. And they contain nicotine and other flavourings. So you often get like spearmint, coffee, licorice is particularly popular in Sweden. And basically it's just a way that people are getting their hit of nicotine.
Jennifer, you have 4 kids. Is this something you've come across?
It is, unfortunately. I can say it now because he's in school at the moment, but I caught my teenager using it. And it is, they're really, really hard to see. I thought his lip looked a little bit swollen. And I said, what's wrong with you? And it turned out that he was using one of these. They were
in front of you?
Yeah.
So no fear out whatsoever?
Well, they're just so hard to see. I mean, they use them in school in front of the teachers and the teachers can't see them. And it's probably a year and a half since I first raised this with the Minister for Health. And I asked, are you aware of these? Because I'd never heard of them before. And I asked, like, what regulations, what are can we restrict them to teenagers, to children? And there's no regulations at all in Ireland governing these. And you'll see it's the exact same as the vape. So they're flavoured, they're marketed completely, really cool graphics on them that teenagers would just, love.
And you can get different strengths.
And like this is equivalent, you could to like having 10 cigarettes in one go, or they're really strong. Like the hit that the teenagers are getting from these is really, really large. And I think it's something that we have to tackle.